Sound Partners 1, Lesson 54. Point to each letter or letter pair and say the sound. Remember, when Y is at the end of a word, it can sound like the letter name I or like the letter name E. Today we're going to practice with the Y sounding like the letter name I, like in fly. Ready? I fly. Ooh, screw. Ow, cloud. I, Y, or fly. K, truck. Fern. Queen. E, tree. Cherry. I, fly. Whale. Ooh, blue. Sheep. Now write the letter or letter pair that makes the sound that you hear. Number 1,
I.
Number 2,
Quack.
Number 3,
Shh.
Number 4, Number 5,
Ow.
Number 6,
Ch.
Number 7, Number 8,
E.
Number 9,
Wa.
and Number 10.
Ooh.
Now let's check your answers. Number 1 should have been Y. Y makes the sound I at the end of a word. Number 2, QU. Number 3, SH. Number 4, CK. Number 5, OU. Number 6, CH. Number 7, ER. Number 8, EE. Number 9, WH. And number 10, UE. Now we're going to sound these out and then say them fast. Ready? Dry, dry. Sound, sound. Newest, newest. Track, track. Chew, chew. Cry. Tricked, tricked. My, litter. Rounder. Loud, loud. Stew. Try. Act, packed. Supply. Dry, sound. Newest. Track. Chew. Cry. Tricked. My. Litter. Rounder. loud, stew, try, packed, supply. Now let's spell some words. The first word we're going to spell is the word chew. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word chew. The next word, track. Track. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word track. The next word, sound. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word sound. The next word, cry. Cry. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word cry. The next word, loud. Loud. Now underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word loud. And the last word, dry. Dry. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word dry. Now let's check your work. The first word was chew, CHEW, with the letter pairs CH and EW. The next word, track, TRACK, with the letter pairs TR and CK. The next word, sound, the letter SOUND, with the letter pairs OU and ND. The next word, cry, letter pair CR, and then Y at the end standing for the I sound. The next word, loud, LOUD, with the letter pair OU. And the last word, dry, DRY, with the letter pair DR and Y at the end to stand for the I sound. Now let's practice with our sight words. Our new sight word today is the word know. I know the answer. K-N-O-W, know. Ready? Let's read and spell each sight word. New, K-N-E-W, new. Over, O-V-E-R, over. Was, W-A-S, was. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Want, W-A-N-T, want. Know, K-N-O-W, know. Any, A-N-Y, any. Was, W-A-S, was. New, K-N-E-W, new. She, S-H-E, she. Over, O-V-E-R, over. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Now let's read each word. Ready? New, over, was, head, want, know, any, was, new, she, over, head. Now let's spell 4 of those words. The first word we're going to spell is the word she. Write the word she on your paper. The next word, over. Write the word over. The next word, knew. I knew the answer. Knew. And the last word, know. I know my brother's friend. Know. Now let's check your answers. The first word was she, S-H-E, she. The next word, over, O-V-E-R, over. The next word, new, K-N-E-W, new. And the last word, know, K-N-O-W, know. Now let's read these sentences together. The underlined word is the word put. Ready? I know that I saw a big bug on the wall over my bed. It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in a cup and take it outside. All right, let's read that again together. Ready? I know that I saw a big bug on the wall over my bed. It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in a cup and take it outside. Now you read it. And let's read it one more time together. I know that I saw a big bug on the wall over my bed. It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in a cup and take it outside. Now let's practice with our magic E rule. If a word has an E at the end, the middle vowel says its name and the E is quiet. Use the rule to read these words. Remember our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Ready? E at the end, the vowel says its name, A. 8. Mate. No E at the end. The vowel says its sound A. At. Mat. No E at the end. The vowel says its sound A. At. Fat. E at the end. The vowel says its name A. 8. Fate. E at the end. The vowel says its name A. Ape. Cape. No E at the end. The vowel says its sound A. App. Cap. No E at the end. The I says its sound I. In. Shin. E at the end. The I says its name I. Ein. Shine. No E at the end. The A says its sound A. An. Plan. E at the end. The vowel says its name A. Ain. Plain. E at the end. The vowel says its name I. Ein. Twine. No E at the end. The I says its sound I. In. Twin. No E at the end. The vowel says its sound A. Am. Sam. E at the end. The vowel says its name A. Aim. Same. No E at the end. The vowel says its sound I. It. Bit. E at the end. The vowel says its name I. Ite. Bite. Remember, the magic E can make the U say one sound oo, as in the word tune, or it can make two sounds, the U, as in cute. Let's read these magic E words and listen to the long U sound. Ready? Cute, cute, fume, prune, flute, mule, June, crude, tube, cube. In those words, you heard the U say oo as in tune or U as in cute. Now let's do some extra practice with our new letter pairs. Write the letters that make these sounds. Here's the first sound.
U.
Number 2.
Ow.
Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6.
Ooh.
Now let's check. The first letter pair was EW. Number 2, OU. Number 3, CK. Number 4, ER. Number 5, QU. And number 6, UE. Now let's read these words. Ready? Queen, queen. Ouch, ouch. jeep, jeep. Out, shout. Sweet, sweet. Check. Queen, ouch. Jeep, shout, sweet, check. Now let's spell some words. The first word we're going to spell is the word quiz. Quiz. Quiz, quiz. The next word, click. Click. CLICK, click. Remember that you need the letter pair CK when you hear k at the end of a word. The next word, cloud. CLOUD, cloud. The next word, flew. Flew. FLEW, flew. The next word, joust. Joust. JOUST, joust. And the last word, deck. Deck. DECK, deck. And again, remember that since you hear k at the end of the word, you need CK. Now let's read these nonsense words. Ready? Berg, berg. Flows, flows. Slew, slew. Leck, leck. Eve, deeve. Eef, sheaf. Now let's spell three words. The first word nonsense word we're going to spell is the word glack. Glack. The next word, noop. Noop. And the last word, sturf. Sturf. Now let's check your answers. The first word was glack, Glack. We needed the CK at the end because we heard the K sound. Glack. The next word was noop, Newp, with the oo sound being EW. And the last word, sturf, Sterf, with the sound being spelled by ER. Sturf. Now let's read a news story today called Bud's Nap. Bud's Nap. Bud sat under a big green tree. Bud sat under a big green tree. Bud was sleepy. Bud was sleepy. Bud had a nap. Three bees buzzed, and the queen bee buzzed. Three bees buzzed, and the queen bee buzzed. The bees saw Bud sitting under the tree. Bud snoozed. Bud was fast asleep. Bud snoozed. Bud was fast asleep. The bees buzzed around Bud. Bud snoozed. Bud snored. Bud snored. Bud did not see the bees. The bees did see Bud. The bees flew close. Bud snoozed on. Bud snored more. Bud did not see the bees. The bees did see Bud. The bees flew close. Bud snoozed on. Bud snored more. A bee sat on Bud's knee. A bee sat on Bud's hat. A bee sat on Bud's hand. Bud did not feel the bees. He did not move. Bud snoozed and snored even more. A bee sat on Bud's knee. A bee sat on Bud's hat. A bee sat on Bud's hand. Bud did not feel the bees. He did not move. Bud snoozed and snored even more. The bees flew off. The bees flew from buttercup to buttercup. A butterfly flew by. The butterfly saw Bud. The butterfly sat on Bud's nose. Suddenly, Bud woke up. The bees buzzed on in the buttercups. The butterfly flew into the sky. Bud did not see the bees. He did not see the butterfly. Bud jumped up. He did not feel sleepy anymore. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.